So the question came up how to connect multiple survey responses to a single respondent. And the best approach I could come up with was one that used the match automation to link via email to a respondent in a respondent board their responses. So basically, you would put the respondents in, add their email addresses to the board, and then create boards for your polls or surveys. We're just going to do a simple lunch poll over here, and it asks for a name, an email, what they want for lunch, and how much time they have for lunch. And it'll automatically capture the date that the response was entered. So we have an automation set up that when an item is created in the board, you connect the item via the email where it matches the email in the respondents column, and it either overwrites or adds a new matched item. We're just going to overwrite there. So to get this automation, it's in Automation Center, and you search for match, and you select when an item is created, and it brings up this recipe for you. So first, you want to choose the board that it's going to connect to. This will be respondents, and you want the email column to connect to the what's your email column, and then connect via a linked column. I've already got one between the two tables, but you can add a new one in your automation if you need to. So I've already got this set up, so we'll just go back to our form and we'll enter a new response. I'm going to enter it for John Doe, making sure my email matches what was in the respondent's board. And I'm feeling like Mexican today, and I've got 45 minutes, and I'm going to submit. So, yay, it's done. We go over to the respondents board. You'll see John has a new response here. If we want to look at the details, we can click on it and see everything I put in, when I put it in, all that good stuff. If you are needing to update columns instead of just attaching a new response to a respondent, you would have to use the API.